Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. In this video, I'm going to take you guys on a trip to Segesta through public transportation. So today from Trapani, I'm gonna take you guys to the Segesta temple. Well, you have bus option, but you won't find this public transport information anywhere on the internet. And the bus is called as Tarantola. If you want to know the place from where the pickup point is, just drop me a comment and I'll drop the pin location. The bus runs at 8 and 10 in the morning and return bus is around 4 p.m. So the round trip costs you €6.40 to go to Segesta from Trapani and back.
Okay, the ticket for the adults is 14 euro from both sides. We have a temple, 14. Yeah.
One ticket, please. It's 14 euro. Thank you. The entry ticket is 14 euro for the Segesta temple. Imagine building a massive Greek temple and just never finishing it. Welcome to Segesta, one of the most mysterious ancient sites in Italy. Look at that, standing all alone in the middle of nature. This temple is over 2,400 years old and somehow still standing better than most modern buildings. So this was built in the 5th century, never completed, no roofs, just pillars. Basically, this is history's biggest work in progress. There is something special about unfinished places. They remind you that even the past wasn't perfect. No city, no crowds, just a temple in the middle of nowhere. This feels less like a tourist spot and more like stepping into history. The crazy part, nobody knows why this was never completed. Was it war, political issues, or no money? Anyhow, doesn't matter. Even 2000 years ago, projects were delayed. So, nothing changed, I guess. These columns are perfectly preserved and they don't even have any carvings. It's like seeing a temple before the final edit. I think it was the casual attitudes of Italians who like to enjoy the sunny weather and not work, so they kept it unfinished. Basically in life, you need not complete everything. You just need to be strong enough so that people far away, even from India like me, come just to visit you. Imagine in those days the people were living here in these houses that are ruins now, but around you can see hell lot of flowers. So how beautiful it would have been. I really envy it. Apart from the temple, you will also visit some of these ruins, which is on top of the hill, and you need to walk. It's like walking in the valley of flowers. You can see different varieties of wildflowers here. This is how the architecture should have looked, but now it's all ruins. This is the amphitheater that could hold up to 4,000 spectators. So even today some shows happen here. They are hosted and people enjoy the show in this ancient amphitheater. Segesta is not the most famous place in Sicily, but honestly one of the most unforgettable places. So for visiting Segesta, I am taking Trapani as my base. There is not much things to do inside Trapani. There are few things. You can reach Trapani from Palermo, which costs you around 10 euro, and it is just a 2 hours bus journey. Some places are beautiful because they are perfect. Segesta is beautiful because it is not. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.